Welcome to your tutor Black Adam, and probability A 0.5, A or B is 0.52, and it's mutually exclusive, so which means they don't share common part. And then we have the equation, probability of A or B is equals to probability of A plus probability of B, and then minus probability of A and B. So that is if they share a common probability. So probability of A is 0.4, okay, and then probability of B is what we need to solve, and then mutually exclusive means that probability of A and B is 0, and then probability of A or B is 0.52. So we solve for probability of B. So that means that we have 0.4 goes to the left, and that becomes negative 0.4, and then we have 0.52 minus 0.4, and that will give us, using our calculator, it's going to give us 0.12. 0.12. That's our answer. And next we have to solve the second question. Then let's analyze it. We say the sandwich is S, chocolate is C, juice is J. And then we need a probability of sandwich. There's everything there on S. So covering that, the probability is the number of so that will be 0.2 plus 0.02 there, and then we have plus 0.01 there, and then we have plus 0.04 there, and then plus 0.09 there. So everything under S. Okay, then from there sandwich, and that gives us 0.16, which is our answer. And then the next, we have to solve the next question, where it says at least 2 of the 3 items. So at least 2 is everything that has covered there with that shares. So everything, the intersection there will be what we are looking for. So it's going to be 0.02 plus 0.01, everything intersection, so 0.03 there plus 0.04 there, and then adding all that together will give us 0.1. So that's our answer for 11.2.2. Next we go to 11.2.3. so calculate probability that the learner will not buy any of those things like chocolate, juice, so will not buy any of those 3 items. So that will be, remember that the intersection gave us 0.1, and then we're going to go to 0.04, 0.09 and 0.20. So we add that, so we subtract that from 1 is the total of everything. So 0.01, 0.04 plus 0.02 plus 0.20, I think, 0.20 plus 0.09, and then calculating that, solve the bracket first and then subtract it from 1 will give us 0.57. So those 57% that didn't buy any of all those items. So you have 7 guitar players, there's 7 there, just write 7 and then different names in different ways, order of that will be 7 prime, and then 7 prime will mean that we have 50 40, so that's 5040. You can use just 7 second function prime on your calculator, and then the bench for 4 to sit around, and 4 players will be sitting in alphabetic order. Probability, so we need probability is going to be number, probability of 4 players So we need to know how many players are there all together. 7. So prime 7, that's our total. So the number of a total number, that's how we calculate probability. So that would be 7. The first one has 7 ways, the second 6, third 5, and then the fourth had 4 ways. And then multiplying all those possibilities and divided by the total, which is 5040, gives us 1/6. So that would be 1/6 as our answer. So getting to our last question, we said performance 7 players in a line on the stage. 4 players are boys, 4 are girls, 3 are boys, and then from there we need to sitting next to each other. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 4 girls, and then we have 3 boys. So there's let's say girl, boy. There must be close to that, girl and boy, and then gay. So the first one, there are 4 girls, so it's 4 ways, 3 boys 3 ways, and 3 girls next, and then 2 boys multiplied by 2 ways, and then last is 1 for each. So 4 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 1 times 1, multiplying everything gives us 1 4 4. So it's 1 for the 4 ways. So that's our answer. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to follow or subscribe for more. Thank you.